In today's world, where networking is an integral part of our lives, Ethernet cables play a crucial role in connecting devices to local area networks and the Internet. Among various types of Ethernet cables, twisted pair cables are the most commonly used. In this video, we'll dive into the world of twisted pair cables, including their different categories, such as Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7, and their features. So let's get started. If you want to learn more about Ethernet as a whole, check out the link down below. Twisted pair cables are the most common type of Ethernet cable. They use copper wires twisted together in pairs to transmit data. Twisted pair cables come in different categories, including Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7. Cat5 cables were the first twisted pair Ethernet cables to be widely used. They are capable of transmitting data up to 100 megabits per second and can cover a maximum length of 100 meters. Cat5 cables are suitable for most home and office networks, but they are not recommended for high-speed or long-distance networks. Cat6 cables are an improvement over Cat5 cables, offering higher speeds and better performance. They can transmit data up to 10 gigabits per second and have a maximum length of 55 meters. They are suitable for high-speed networks and can be used for short distances in data centers and server rooms. And finally, Cat7 cables. Cat7 cables are the latest twisted pair Ethernet cables available. They offer the highest performance among twisted pair cables, with the capability to transmit data up to 40 gigabits per second over a maximum length of 100 meters. Cat7 cables are suitable for high-speed networks and are often used in data centers and server rooms. In conclusion, twisted pair cables are an essential component of modern networking, and understanding their different categories and features can help you choose the right cable for your networking needs. Whether you need a cable for home or office use. I hope this video has helped you understand the different types of twisted pair cables. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.